We will see one more example to execute the program for the subtraction by using this particular 8085 Ultimate Simulator. Okay, so you have to create new file. So here you have to type your program. So as I said, subtraction of 2 8-bit numbers. So here by using register addressing mode, you have to write the program for the subtraction. So first instruction is suppose MVI A, 35 hex, first number. Suppose you want to perform 35 minus another number, suppose 12 hex. Okay, so these two numbers must be available in accumulator and in another register depending on the instruction. So suppose sub B instruction you want to use, so at that time the subtraction operation is A minus B. So the two numbers 35 must be in accumulator and another number you have to take in B register. So by using this MVI A, we are copying this 35x in accumulator. Next instruction MVI space B comma suppose 12x. Okay, so we are going to subtract this 12x from 35x. Next instruction is subtraction instruction sub B, that is A minus B operation get performed. Addition result you can copy in another register. Suppose C register move C comma A is the source register, C is the destination register. Next, to stop execution, halt instruction. Enter. Save this particular file with a specific name. Subtraction. Click on the save. Okay. Then load this program for the execution. Click on the load. Then this app will ask the starting address of the program. So already we are given the starting address C000. Just click on the start. Okay, so after clicking on the start, in this particular execution window we can able to see the status of the different registers. By default 000, and below this we can able to see the assembly window, okay, with the T state. So different columns, T column, that is T state column, address column, mnemonic column and code column. Okay, so right now the program counter with 000 because we have not mentioned the starting address of the program. So as I said, there are two ways to execute the program: step execution and direct execution. We will go step wise. Just click on the step. Okay, just click on the next. So after the execution of the first instruction, we are getting 35x in accumulator. So here in the register window we can able to see accumulator with 35x. Again click on the next. In B register you should get 12. Yes, we are getting 12x in B register. Okay, now in accumulator we are having 35 and in B register we are having 12x. Now next instruction is subtraction instruction. So A minus B operation get performed. Okay, so just click on the next. So 35 minus 12 we are getting 23 in accumulator. Okay, then next instruction is to copy the addition result to C register. Just check the C register content. So right now C register with 00x. Okay, so click on the next. So here in C register we are getting the addition result, subtraction result 23x. And next instruction is to stop execution, that is halt instruction. Okay, so So here we can able to see status of all the registers, accumulator with the subtraction result 23x, B register 12x, D, E, H, L registers are not used. There is no any effect on the flag bits. Program counter with C007 because last instruction is C006X, that is halt instruction. So after the execution, sequential execution of the program counter get incremented by 1, that's why it is showing C007. Okay, so in this way we can execute the different programs by using this particular application.